Hey guys, I'm doing a science experiment with Oobleck. So Oobleck's a non-Newtonian liquid. A non-Newtonian liquid is a solid and a liquid at the same time. So this is what you have to do to make it. So you need cornstarch, 2 cups of cornstarch, and 1 cup of water. This is the 1 cup. Not this actual cup right here. And if you want color, you can add food coloring, and you can add glitter if you want. I add some glitter in here. So what I mean is by solid and liquid at the same time. So it acts like a liquid like this. It flows like water, and then when you punch it, it's very solid. Splashed me a little, and you can when you dip your finger in so you don't have to put pressure, sinks in, and then when you just tap it like this, it's hard like a rock. So now I'm going to put some Oobleck in my hand, roll it around in a ball, and then it's melting. It feels good. It feels nice and cool. If you like messes, you should make Oobleck, but actually don't make a mess. I think I should add a little more glitter. That's what I think. I wonder how I'll get this off. Anyway, guys, if you're done, you can put this in a Ziploc bag, or you can just throw it away in the garbage. But do not put it in your sink, guys. It will plug up your sink. So do not do it. If you do it unsupervised and you just put it in the sink and it'll plug up your sink, your mom and dad will be very angry at you guys. So do not do it and throw it in the sink. Okay, guys? So I wonder how I'm going to get this off. I know how. You just wash your hands. When you wash your hands, it won't plug up your sink at all. So I'm back now. Okay, now I'm gonna make sure my hands are drier. So now maybe I can just wipe it on this net. I don't know. And okay, this is so hard. I'm gonna try with a spoon. Actually, this. I'm gonna try with this. Well, it's stick. That's solid. I think I'm going to add a little bit more glitter. There. That would be enough. Mix it with my hands. Because I love mixing stuff with my hands. Even pancakes mix. Wow. Pick it up one more time. And then it's melting. Oh, it's like making ice cream and then it melts. Hey, bye guys.